Okay, so we'll start with conditionals. So remember that we need to have like a condition and a result. And we have four types of conditional. We have the zero conditional, the first one, the second, and the third conditional. So right here, you can see the things we need. Look, if you stand in the rain, you get wet. Yeah? So look, we have simple present. If you stand in the rain and you get wet. Okay? So these are four facts which are generally true or scientific facts. The condition always has the same result. If you heat ice, it melts. Yeah? So just for you to remember the zero conditional. So right here we have the first conditional, and we have to use a possible situation in the future, predicting a likely result in the future if the condition happens. So look, if it rains, we will cancel the trip. If you study, you will pass the exam. Okay, so we have two different: the zero, the possible, and the true conditional. Now look, then we have the second conditional right here. And it's for unlikely situations, unreal, improbable, now or in the future. If I won the lottery, I would travel a lot. If they sold their house, they would be rich. Yeah. So right here, unlikely or hypothetical situations and improbable. And right here, the last one is the impossible. The person is imagining a different past, imaginary situation that didn't happen. If you had studied it, you would have passed the exam. If I hadn't been sick, I would have gone to your party. Yeah. So it's just a reminder for the topic. And let me show you the topic right here. Inversion in conditional sentences. When wanting to add emphasis or formality to a conditional sentence, you can invert the order of the subject and omit if. Yeah, we don't use if right here. We use were, had, and should. Okay? Without if, by moving the auxiliary verb in front of the sentence. Okay? So right here we can see how. We have the type 1. Yeah. If clauses or real conditions. In real conditions, motive verb should is to be used. If you need more information, so look, this is the one that we know already. If we need more information, please read our pamphlet. Yeah. So look, we change it. Instead of using if, we use should. Should you need more information, please read our pamphlet. Yes. So right here, look, if you change your mind, we don't use if, okay? Instead of if, we change to you should. Should you change your mind about going to the bowl, I'd be happy to support you. Right here, we have a little mistake. Yeah, it's you. So, but look, if, should. So we change, okay? So this is the type 1 clause for real condition. Type 2, if clauses improbable future. Yeah. So look, although possible, in this case inversion is less common. If you were to marry her, your friends wouldn't come to the wedding. Okay? So do you remember the things that we need to change from this? If in this case, type 2, we don't use should, we use were. Yes, were you to marry her? If you were married to her, were you to marry her? Your friends wouldn't come to the wedding. Yeah, this stays the same. But right here, remember, we don't use if, we use were. So right here, if were, let's see. If I won the lottery, I will quit my job. Were I to win the lottery, I will quit my job. So remember that we use this for formal situations. Yeah. Type 3, if clauses are real situations. So let's see. If I had read the report, I would have acted sooner. So look, we don't use if. Yeah, we use had I. Had I read your report, would have acted sooner. If she had known about your accident, she should have visited in the hospital. So look right here, if, no if. We use had. Had she known about your accident, she would have visited here in the hospital. Yeah. So this is inverted inversion in conditional sentences. Yeah. So we use it to for what is it? Oh my god. Oh, we use it for formal situation. Oh, right here. Formality or emphasis. Yes. I hope you understood everything. Thank you.